grammar. The first grammar that we are considering today is about NISHITEMO. The grammar of NISHITEMO is mean that even if, or even thought, or regardless of or something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of NISHITEMO, you can use with the verb, noun, adjective, and adjective. But for the verb, you should change to be the casual form. And for the noun and adjective, you should end by they are. After that, followed by NISHITEMO. And for adjective, you don't need to change anything. You just use in that form. And followed by NISHITEMO. And when you use the grammar of this, that means even though, even if, something like this. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of NISHITEMO, the next we are going to see some example together. The first example, それにしても日本は良い国ですね。それにしても日本は良い国ですね。Which means that regardless, Japan is a great country. Regardless, Japan is a great country. The next example, どちらにしても賛成できない。どちらにしても賛成できない。Which means that in either case, I cannot agree. In either case, I cannot agree. You see that for the first sentence, they use with the noun, right? それにしても、それ is mean that, right? That is mean now in here. So それにしても日本は良い国ですね. That mean whatever, something like this. For example, Japan always has the earthquake, right? So それにしても is so even that Japan is a great country. And for the second sentence, you see that they use the どちらにしても. どちらに is mean now. Now in here is どちらに is mean whichever or in either case, right? Something like this. And the next 10, 何をするにしてもよく考えてから行動しなさい。何をするにしてもよく考えてから行動しなさい。Which means that regardless of what you do, make sure you think carefully before you take action. Regardless of what you do, make sure you think carefully before you take action. In this sentence, they use 何をするにしても that means they use the verb. In here, our verb is mean する is in the dictionary form, right? So, as the rule of grammar にしても you can use with the verb, noun, and adjective, right? So in this case, they use in verb. 何をするにしても right? Whatever you do, right? Whatever you do is mean like this. If you translate directly, it means whatever you do. よく考えてから行動する. You should be carefully and thinking and do, right? This means like this. The next example. 今回の試験は合格したにしても点数はあまり良くないと思う。今回の試験は合格したにしても点数はあまり良くないと思う。That means even if I pass this test, I don't think I will have a high score. Even if I pass this test, I don't think I will have a high score. In this sentence, you see that they use the verb in the past tense, right? 合格する right? 合格したにしても合格する合格します合格した So in this case, they use the past tense form 合格したにしても I mean, even you pass the examination, right? 点数はあまり良くないと思う The score is not so good, something like this. So you can use verb noun and adjective with the にしても When you use the にしても it had a meaning that whatever or however, something like this. Thank you much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。